Hi friends! Let's gently stretch our bodies and calm our minds with some cozy bedtime yoga. Child's pose, Balasana. This is our cozy rest pose. Kneel down, stretch your arms forward, and rest your forehead on the mat. This pose helps your body feel safe, calm, and ready to relax. Butterfly pose. Sit tall and bring the bottoms of your feet together. Gently flap your knees like butterfly wings. This pose helps open your hips and makes your body feel light and happy. Cat pose. Come onto your hands and knees. Round your back up like a stretching cat. This pose helps stretch your spine and release tension from your back. Cow pose. From hands and knees, gently drop your belly and lift your head. This pose opens your chest and helps you take a big, happy breath in. Happy baby pose. Lie on your back and hold your feet with your hands. Gently rock side to side. This pose relaxes your hips and makes your body feel playful and loose. Seated forward fold. Sit with your legs straight and slowly reach toward your toes. This pose stretches your legs and helps your mind slow down. Tree pose. Stand tall and place one foot on your leg. Bring your hands together at your chest. This pose helps you practice balance and focus like a strong tree. Moon stretch, standing side stretch. Raise your arms up high and gently lean to one side. This pose stretches your sides and helps your body feel long and tall like the moon. Starfish relax pose. Lie flat on your back with arms and legs stretched out wide. Close your eyes and relax. This pose helps your whole body rest. Deep breathing pose. Easy pose with hands on heart. Sit cross-legged, place one hand on your heart and one on your belly. Take slow, deep breaths. This helps your body calm down and your heart feel peaceful. Puppy pose. On hands and knees, walk your hands forward and lower your chest gently. This pose stretches your shoulders and helps you feel relaxed. Baby cobra pose. Lie on your belly and gently lift your chest using your hands. This pose makes your back strong and opens your heart. Bridge pose. Lie on your back, bend your knees, and lift your hips up slowly. This pose strengthens your legs and helps release tired feelings. Supine twist. Lie on your back and gently drop one knee to the side. This pose stretches your back and helps your body unwind before sleep. Mountain pose. Stand tall with arms by your side. Take a deep breath. This pose helps you feel strong, steady, and grounded. Wide leg forward fold. Stand with legs wide apart and gently bend forward. This pose stretches your legs and helps your head feel light and calm. Garland pose, yogi squat. Squat down low and bring your hands together at your chest. This pose helps open your hips and improve balance. Seated eagle arms. Sit cross-legged and wrap your arms around each other. This pose stretches your shoulders and helps release tight feelings. Side-lying relax pose. Lie on your side like you are ready to sleep. Rest your head gently. This pose makes your body feel safe and cozy. Knees to chest hug, Uppanasana. Lie on your back and hug your knees close to your chest. Gently rock side to side. This pose helps relax your lower back and calm your tummy. Great job, little yogis. Now take one last deep breath and get ready for the sweetest dreams.